Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 10th standard mathematics chapter number 2 exercise 2.4 sequences. Here is the definition. A real valued sequence is a function defined on the set of natural numbers and taking real values. I give an example later. Each element in the sequence is called a term of the sequence. The element in the first position is called the first term of the sequence. The element in the second position is called the second term of the sequence, and so on. Nth term is denoted by an. N is at the suffix. Then a1 is the first term, a2 is the second term, and so on. A sequence can be written as a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, an, etc. Illustration. So example 1, 3, 5, 7. Look at the number separated by comma, that is called a sequence. 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. It is going on is a sequence with a general term an that is equal to 2n minus 1. This is a general term of the sequence. Here what is given? Set of natural numbers given. See, in natural numbers you know that the starting number is 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 is going on. For getting the first term, what's the first term in the sequence? 1. Replace n by 1 in the nth term. This is the nth term of the sequence. That's called the general term. If I replace n by 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. That is the first term. For getting the second term, what's the second term here? 3. N should be replaced by 2. Come on, listen. 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. For getting the third term, what's the third term here? 5. We have to replace n by 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5. Like that. For getting the fourth term, what's the fourth term here? 7. Replace n by 4. 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7. Like that it is going on. So this is a general term of this sequence. Okay. What is the first term? 1. Second term? 3. Third term? 5. Fourth term? 7. Can you tell me the next term? Fifth term is 9. Careful of odd numbers only. Okay. Now, the next example, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 is a sequence with a general term. Look at that. In each and every term, the 1 is fixed in the numerator. So, 1 is here. First term denominator is 2. So, first term plus 1. Second term denominator is 3. So, second term plus 1. That is 2 plus 1. This is 3 plus 1. This is 4 plus 1. So, n plus 1 in the denominator. So, in this way you have to find out the general term. Okay. So, a1 first term, second term, third term, fourth term, it is going on. Next, if the number of elements in a sequence is finite, then it is called a finite sequence, or else infinite sequence. That means if the number of elements in a sequence is infinite, then it is called an infinite sequence. Okay. Now we can get into the exercise 2.4. 2.4. First problem, find the next 3 terms of the following sequences. 3 subdivisions are given. First 3 terms only given. You have to find out that next 3 terms. That means 4th term, 5th term and 6th term for each and every subdivision. We can do one by one. Listen carefully. See that? First term is 8. Second term is 24. Third term is 72. By seeing the sequence, you can easily find out that. Look at that. 8 3s are 24. For getting the second term, the first term should be multiplied by 3. 8 3s are 24. Then 24 3s are 72. So what it happens? Now for getting the next term, the previous term should be multiplied by 3. See here, a1 that is equal to 8. a1 means first term. a2 that is equal to 24, that is 8 into 3. 8 the previous term into 3, that is equal to 24. Now a3 equals, what is the previous term? 24. That should be multiplied by 3. You'll be getting 72. Now you can easily find out a4, a5 and a6. How to get? Write the previous term. What's the previous term? 72. That should be multiplied by 3. You'll be getting 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Now the previous term answer is 216 into, once again you have to multiply it by 3. 6 3s are 18, balance 1, 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4, 3 2s are 6, 648. For getting the sixth term, write that fifth term into 3. Now you can multiply, equals 8 3s are 24, balance 2, 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14, balance 1, 3 6 are 18 plus 1, 19. So next three terms are 216, 648 and 1944. First subdivision is over. Now subdivision number 2. Subdivision number 2, 5, 1 minus 3. There is a difference between first subdivision and second subdivision. In first subdivision, each and every number is a multiple of 3 with the previous number. 8, 8 into 3, 24 into 3, 72 into 3, it is going on. But not like that. It is constantly decreasing. 5 becomes 1. 1 is less than 5. 1 becomes minus 3. Minus 3 is less than 1. So, listen. So, what should be subtracted with the 5 to get 1? 5 minus 4. That is equal to 1. Okay. The previous number is 5. I am subtracting 4. 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. We will be getting the second term. We can try the third term. What is the second term? Write the second term. Then minus 4. 1 minus 4, that is equal to minus 3. Yes, we got the third term. Now the same procedure to be followed for getting the fourth term, fifth term and the sixth term, because you are asked to find out the next three terms: fourth term, fifth term and sixth term. Very simple. What's the number here? Previous term minus 3. Then subtract minus 4. For each and every number you have to subtract 4. Minus 3 minus 4, that is equal to minus 7. Then write minus 7. Subtract 4. That means minus 4. Minus 7 minus 4, that is equal to minus 11. Then for getting the next term, write minus 11 first. Then subtract 4. Minus 11 minus 4, that is equal to minus 15. So the next three terms are minus 7, minus 11 and minus 15. Now subdivision number 3. What is given? 1 by 4, 2 by 9, 3 by 16. Slightly different from first and second subdivision. See, 1, 2, 3. I write the numerator as it is. First term numerator is 1. Second term numerator is 2. Third term numerator is 3. So nth term numerator is n. Denominator, that is 2 square. This one is 3 square. This one is 4 square. So how to write that denominator? So I write this is 1 plus 1 the whole square. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. This is 2 plus 1 the whole square. Correct? 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. This is 3 plus 1 the whole square. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 square is 16. It is going on. Now you can write that next 3 terms. I write here a1 that is equal to 1 by 4. a2 that is equal to 2 by 9. a3 that is equal to 3 by 16. You are asked to find out the next 3 terms, that is a4, a5 and a6. Okay, listen. So 1 by 4, what I have written? 1 by 1 plus 1 the whole square. Correct? Like that, this is 2 by 2 plus 1 the whole square. This is 3 by 3 plus 1 the whole square. So by seeing these 3 terms, you can easily tell the 4th term, 5th term and 6th term. a3 numerator 3, a2 numerator 2, a1 numerator 1. So a4 numerator is 4, a5 numerator is 5, a6 numerator is 6. Denominator, if it is 1, 1 plus 1 square. If it is 2, 2 plus 1 square. If it is 3, 3 plus 1 square. If it is 4, 4 plus 1 square. For 5, 5 plus 1 square. For 6, 6 plus 1 square. That's all. Now write 4 as it is. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 square. 5 write as it is. 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 square. 6 write as it is. 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 square. Equals 4 divided by 5 squared is 25. 5 divided by 6 squared is 36. 6 divided by 7 squared is 49. These are the 3 terms. Next 3 terms: 4 by 25, 5 by 36, 6 by 49. Over. So problem number 1 is completed. Then I will be teaching problem number 2 in the next video. Thank you, children.